Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering on the Vivo Y300 and ensuring it has at least half charge. This prevents interruptions. Once done, connect it to your network or plug via USB so transfers are stable. Next, open the Circle Search tool in the app and sign into your account. The app needs permissions for camera, mic, and location. Grant them. Make sure the Y300 appears in the device list. If it doesn't, toggle Bluetooth and rescan to force a fresh discovery. You now configure the circle search parameters to target the region of interest. First, pick the circle mode and set radius precisely in millimeters or percent of field of view. This narrows the scan. Then adjust depth, exposure, and gain while watching live preview so signals are not clipped. Once satisfied, enable filters like temporal averaging and a 1/100 Hz bandpass to reduce noise. Make sure artifact rejection is on, otherwise motion will contaminate results. You initiate the automated circle search and keep an eye on the live trace and system load to ensure smooth acquisition. As candidate events appear, tag and save captures, annotate timestamps for later review, and export results as CSV or TIFF for analysis. Once finished, stop the scan and perform a quick calibration verification. If things go wrong, reboot the Y300, reset search parameters to defaults, and inspect USB/Wi-Fi connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.